Hi everyone, my name is Shiv Verma and I'm currently a BTech final year student from Bennett University and I'm from the Department of Computer Science. Now in this video, I want to explain you all about my experience as a business analyst at Anjaney Foods Limited. In the starting stages of my internship, I used to work in the enterprise management system development team. The company usually has PACT as an ERP. Later, the company shifted from PACT to SAP. So, because of that, I came to know about SAP and the various stages in that, like how the orders will be made and all in an ERP system environment. Later, after some time, I've been shifted into software development team where I need to do the product analysis using statistical ways and lot of machine learning things. Actually, we were given the data of the past 10 years of the sales, and what in the first few weeks we started spending the time the data by seeing the data and understanding the data. And I guess it's very important to understand the data because we can do a lot of things if we understand the data better. And we started it by cleaning the data and manipulating the data using the pandas and NumPy libraries, and later we started visualizing the data using Matplot and all. And after we started visualizing the data, it's easy for us to show the mentors our work and how we did because they can't understand the libraries and all. Some of them, it's very easy if we show the visual data to them. And in the later stages, after visualizing the data and all, we started doing product analysis for each and every product, like forecasting the sales of the particular product during the year based on the past data and all. And we also clean the data and all the outliers and the correlations because it's important to check the correlation within the own company and in between the products. And later we also model the data using TensorFlow libraries. And in the later stages we also done some sales forecasting of the products in the company, because with the help of the sales forecasting we can prevent the wastage of lot of food items in the company, and it can save a lot of money to the company and the organization. So we proceeded with the forecasting of sales and all, and we used a lot of algorithms for that doing that process, and some of them are linear regression, random forest, and XGBoost, and etc. And to compare between the algorithms, we used RMSE technique. With the help of the RMSE error, we came to know about the which algorithms work better. And after repeating the machine learning algorithms again and again, we found that XGBoost gave the best results for us. So we proceeded with that algorithm and predicted the sales for the company. It was really helpful for them. I am really thankful for my mentors both from the industry and the university because they helped me really a lot in bringing up the lot of innovative ideas which will be helpful for both of the organizations. And the company also gives us a lot of freedom because that's where the innovation comes from usually. And in the company we also used to have a lot of brainstorming sessions to develop an innovative product or an idea. uh, in one of the brainstorming session we suggested that why don't we develop an Android app for our customers, as the company also have nearly approximately 1,000 of business to business customers, like a small scale customers, excluding the outlets the company have. So we suggested developing them an Android app to take the orders from them. Usually the orders are happening by calls, and it's a kind of informal thing. If we make an app, it will be better both for the company and the dealers also, so that they can order whatever they want from the app, and it will be easy for the company to do the billing process and all. So we suggested this idea, and we also developed an app, and we are in the final stages like bug fixing and all. The company and our mentors were really happy by knowing this idea and innovative thing, and it was really great working with the organization. And I am really thankful for my mentors who guided me through the internship process and all, especially Dr. Sunit Gupta and Deepak Garg from Bennett University. They were inquiring me continuously about my internship and giving me some innovative ideas like how I can work for the company and bring the fame to the organization and the university, both of them. And especially, I want to thank my mentor, Mr. A.V. Verma. He gave me a lot of freedom in the company to work in the field which I like, and it was really great experience working with him. And overall, I came to know about how industry works in the real world scenario and all. Thank you for watching this video.